Okay, a lot of people have been asking, so I'm giving another update on the pool. Where we're at right now is we just got in this morning, we got in the last piece of liner into the pool. We ordered this in 3 different sections. These liners are huge and very, very heavy, so we ordered it in 3 different sections, placed it in, and then seamed it together with this special stuff. It's an EPDM liner, like a pond liner, and then this special rubberized tape glue stuff that has to be put on with a primer and all that. We got that stuff in. So if you can see behind me, there is the deep end of the pool. I'll walk across. Here's the shallow end behind me. Over here is the regeneration side, which I've already shown you guys. This over here is the deep end of the pool. There's some stuff down there still. But we did get the rest of the liner in. We still have some piecing together of the folds. You can't make this stuff flat because it's like taking a flat piece of something and pushing it into a bowl. So there's always going to be folds. So we've still got to work those out and get them sealed down. But other than that, the liner is now in. And now what we're on to tonight, because it's like 190 degrees outside, we are about to set up all of our floodlights and get working through the night on framing up the rest of the deck. This behind me is some of the framework we've done on this end of the deck. But now we are going to start right back there and work our way around. Once we get the framework up, then we can lay in the rest of the plumbing and the electrical to our pump house. And we're just about to be in business. We're getting very, very close. So anyway, that's today's pool update. Y'all have fun.